Hello students, how are you? So today we will start with the economic importance of a fungus. In last class what we have done? We have done the introduction and the classification of fungus. Now we will start with economic importance of the fungus. So first of all the disease causing fungus. हमने क्या पढ़ा था लास्ट क्लास में कि most of the fungus are parasitic. Parasitic means they cause diseases in human beings, plants as well as animals. So disease causing fungus, they are very important. We have to learn Phytophthora infestans. This fungus belongs to the category Phycomycetes and causes the disease late blight of potato. In this, the potato leaves have black spots after maturity. And then Albugo candida, this causes white rust in crucifers. Albugo candida causes white rust in crucifers. And then Puccinia recondita, this is very important. It causes brown rust of wheat. It causes brown color rust on the leaves of a wheat. Then Claviceps purpura causes ergot disease of bajra. But this ergot disease of bajra, this fungus is also important because the ergot obtained from that this fungus is also used as an LSD, lysergic acid diethylamine, a type of drug used in the various medicines. Now, Puccinia gramis causes black rust on the leaves of the wheat. Astilago, it causes loose smut in a wheat. Alternaria causes early blight of potato. And Colletotrichum falciparum falcatum causes red rot of sugarcane. आपने मोस्टली देखा होगा कि sugarcane आप जब यूज़ कर रहे हो it becomes red and that red color is because of the fungus Colletotrichum. Then Trichophyton and Microsporum, that causes ringworms in a human body. You have white color patches on the skin due to sweat because in between the fingers, because here the humid conditions are due there because of sweat, and their fungus grows and causes ringworms. And in food spoilage also, some of the fungus also spoils the food. The most common is Rhizopus and Mucor, that are bread mold that grows on bread and causes spoilage of these breads. And out of these two, this Rhizopus is most common mold that occur on bread. So these are some harmful effects of the fungus, but instead of harmful activities, fungus also have so many uses. See, in industry, fungus is used in industry. The most important fungus here is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly known as yeast. It is also known as baker's yeast because it helps in bakery formation of bakery products and formation of dough for the production of bakery products. Beer's yeast, beer, wine, whiskey, rum, these different beverages can be produced using the fungus, and the most common fungus that is used for the production of beer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and this is also a source of vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Next, it is also used in genetics. Neurospora is a fungus where it is a model organism for the study of genetic works in plants. For any plant study of plant kingdom, genetic experiment, Neurospora can be used, and it is also known as Drosophila of plant kingdom. If we have to study about some experiments of the genetics in human body or in animals, we use Drosophila. Similarly, if we have to conduct any experiment related to genetical studies, Neurospora is used for the study of plants. Then mycorrhizal association. What is mycorrhizae? It is a symbiotic relationship of fungus with the roots of higher plant, and the fungus Glomus form mycorrhizae with the higher plants and helps in absorption of minerals from the soil. Antibiotic. First antibiotic, penicillin obtained from fungus Penicillium notatum. And who was the scientist who prepared first antibiotic penicillin? Is Alexander Fleming. And one more, food. We can directly eat fungus also, edible fungus. Agaricus, truffles, these are the edible fungus. And organic acids can also be obtained from the fungus. that is citric acid, source of vitamin C, is obtained from fungus Aspergillus niger. So these are the different uses of the fungus that are very important. For we have to learn these uses, harmful activities, as well as the uses of fungus. They may come in your NEET exam. Thank you.